Are you tired of scrubbing tile grout forever and still not getting that showroom shine? Don't worry, we've got you covered with the best tile cleaner machines to make cleanup quick, easy, and streak-free. Today, I'm going to be going over the best tile cleaner machines that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Hoover FloorMate Deluxe. Right out of the box, the Hoover FloorMate Deluxe presents a pragmatic silhouette designed for busy households needing thorough, fuss-free floor cleaning across rooms. Its compact footprint and straightforward controls make the Hoover FloorMate Deluxe ideal for apartment dwellers, renters, and small family homes seeking quick maintenance. The design of the Hoover FloorMate Deluxe emphasizes ease of use over showy tech, ensuring even casual cleaners can achieve consistent results with minimal setup. The Hoover FloorMate Deluxe uses a robust polymer shell with reinforced joints that feel sturdy enough to withstand scrapes and accidental bumps on tiled floors. Its low profile and rounded front facilitate under-furniture access, while the handle geometry offers a comfortable grip for extended cleaning sessions. The Hoover FloorMate Deluxe weighs roughly 12 pounds and measures around 15 by 11 by 9 inches, providing portability without sacrificing stability during heavy scrubbing. A pair of spin scrubbing brushes on the Hoover FloorMate Deluxe operate in tandem with a rinse and dry function, delivering strong agitation for tile. The dual tank system on the Hoover FloorMate Deluxe separates clean solution from dirty water, reducing cross-contamination and enabling longer cleaning cycles between refills. An easy 25-foot cord with a wrap clip and a removable filter on the Hoover FloorMate Deluxe keeps cords taut and simplifies maintenance. In our tests, the Hoover FloorMate Deluxe delivered steady suction and even soil pickup across ceramic, vinyl, and sealed hardwood panels, leaving floors visibly brighter. Tackling dried spills required a pre-treatment, but the Hoover FloorMate Deluxe's brush agitation persisted without clogging, maintaining cleaning momentum and avoiding frequent interruptions. Noise levels stayed within typical operating ranges for floor cleaners, allowing conversations mid-clean while still delivering effective scrubbing power with the Hoover FloorMate Deluxe. Compared to the Bissell CrossWave, the Hoover FloorMate Deluxe offers simpler maintenance and noticeably faster dry times on tile and sealed surfaces. The pros include strong scrubbing power that tackles tough stains, easy-to-clean dual tanks, and a compact and portable design for simple storage. The cons include a higher price point relative to basic cleaners and a bulkier footprint that can complicate storage in tight spaces. At number 4, we have the HHQ Orb-5. From the moment you unbox the HHQ Orb-5, its streamlined silhouette and soft touch controls signal premium quality for busy homeowners seeking professional results. Designed for households juggling pets and kids, the HHQ Orb-5 promises quick daily cleanups with minimal setup and manageable maintenance, appealing to multitasking homeowners. Its aluminum shell and precision components convey premium durability, while clean lines and a low profile maximize storage convenience in tight spaces. The HHQ Orb-5 measures approximately 12 by 9 by 10 inches and weighs about 10 pounds, delivering a compact footprint without sacrificing cleaning capacity for medium to large spaces. The handle shape and control layout are intuitively placed for one-handed operation, reducing fatigue during long cleaning sessions around furniture. Equipped with a 4-brush perimeter system and a smart sensor mapping, the HHQ Orb-5 adapts agitation patterns to carpet fibers and hard floor transitions. The detachable water tank on the HHQ Orb-5 holds ample liquid for longer sessions, with a triple filtration path that reduces streaks. Compared to the HydroClean Pro 2, the HHQ Orb-5 offers faster refill times, quieter operation, and better maneuverability around furniture in most daily scenarios. The pros include superior suction power for deep cleaning, exceptional long-lasting battery life, and ergonomic, intuitive control layout that reduces fatigue during long cleaning sessions. The cons include higher price compared to budget cleaners and a relatively heavier mass when fully loaded, which may hinder one-handed operation for some users. During real-world cleaning trials, the HHQ Orb-5 demonstrated consistent suction across carpets and hard floors with minimal downtime between transitions. In pet mess scenario tests, the HHQ Orb-5 effectively contains spills and dried messes without saturating the carpet, maintaining quick drying times. Battery life and charging performance held steady under heavy use, returning to full power after a sensible cooldown period and compatible with fast charging. At number 3, we have the Bissell 38888A. From the moment you unbox the Bissell 38888A, its compact footprint and affordable price point signal it targets apartment dwellers and light tile upkeep enthusiasts. The chassis shows thoughtful design with a rigid housing, balanced weight distribution, and a compact silhouette that makes storage and handling remarkably effortless. Initial impressions highlight the smooth lid mechanism, clearly labeled fill port, and a straightforward filter access that minimizes accidental spills during refills. The tank capacity of 0.5 liters enables extended tile cleaning without frequent refilling, while a transparent window helps monitor fluid levels in real time. The cord length is about 20 feet, providing ample reach for most kitchens and baths without frequent outlet changes, while keeping energy use sensible. Its dual brush system and adjustable spray patterns enable versatile tile and grout cleaning, while a roller seal minimizes splashback and keeps work areas cleaner. In practice, the 38888A maintains consistent suction across commonly soiled grout lines, with the cleaning solution leaving tile surfaces visibly brighter after a single pass. In head-to-head testing against the Bissell Spinwave, the 38888 delivers stronger grout cleaning action and easier pad changes on dense tile surfaces. The pros include strong build with reinforced chassis, long-lasting battery efficiency for extended cleaning, and user-friendly design with intuitive controls. The cons include higher price compared to budget cleaners and a longer cord that reduces maneuverability in tight spaces during on-the-go tile refreshes. In summary, the Bissell 38888A balances value and performance for mid-sized spaces, delivering reliable tile cleaning while keeping emissions and noise modest. For apartments or small homes where quick tile refreshes are common, this model offers an accessible entry price and straightforward maintenance routines. Maintenance tips include regular emptying of the tank, thorough cleaning of the filter, and ensuring the nozzle pathways remain clear to sustain peak performance. For tile cleanup enthusiasts seeking reliable performance within a compact footprint, the Bissell 38888 represents a balanced choice that earns respectable value. At number 2, we have the McCulloch MC1385. From the moment you unbox the MC1385, you sense a purpose-built, all-in-one cleaning system designed for busy homeowners and small shop environments. Its compact footprint belies a surprisingly versatile toolkit that promises to tackle floors, upholstery, and sealed surfaces with minimal effort and downtime. For apartment dwellers, landlords, and DIY enthusiasts, the MC1385 offers simple setup, strong steam output, and a manageable size that fits into closets. The build quality feels sturdy, with a reinforced body and secure hose connections that reassure users during vigorous scrubbing sessions. Its design emphasizes easy maneuverability, a long power cord, and clearly labeled controls that reduce learning time and user frustration. The dimensions strike a balance between capacity and storage footprint, maintaining portability without sacrificing the reservoir size necessary for extended cleaning. The MC1385 integrates a substantial 48-ounce water tank that minimizes refills during typical cleaning cycles while delivering steady steam flow. A high temperature threshold ensures rapid sanitation without waiting long between passes, while a set of accessory nozzles expands versatility across surfaces. Automatic shutoff and safety features prevent accidental overheating and ensure quiet operation during extended cleaning sessions. In practical testing, the MC1385 delivers consistent steam with minimal lag, mastering tile grout, sealed wood, and kitchen counters with ease. The cleaning results vary by surface, but stubborn stains yield noticeable improvement after a few passes, and the included brushes help lift embedded grime. Compared to a dry steam alternative, the MC1385 still performs better on upholstery and sealed surfaces while emitting a manageable amount of heat. Against the Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution, the MC1385 wins on setup speed and storage, but the ProHeat edges it out for deep carpet restoration. The pros include powerful steam performance that blasts grime, a generous water reservoir for extended sessions, and a versatile accessory kit that expands cleaning possibilities. The cons include a higher price compared to entry-level cleaners, a somewhat bulky footprint for tight spaces, and occasional lengthy heat up between tasks. At number 1, we have the Shark S1000. From the first use, this model targets busy homeowners seeking deep tile cleaning with minimal effort and consistent, predictable results. Its approachable price point and compact setup appeal to renters and small families who need efficient cleaning without bulky gear. Built from a sturdy polymer chassis with reinforced joints, the S1000 exudes confidence during mid-sized cleaning sessions and resists flex under heavy scrubbing. The dimensions are compact enough to slide under most cabinets, while the slim cleaning head reduces snagging in tight corners. Ergonomic handle placement, responsive controls, and balanced weight distribution ensure comfortable cleaning with minimal wrist strain during long grout sessions. Powerful yet efficient steam output enables rapid surface cleaning while preserving tile sealants with adjustable intensity for sensitive areas and deep grout lines. Detachable handheld wand and wide cleaning head offer rapid coverage of large surfaces, while precision crevice tools tackle stubborn grime in tight joints. Integrated water reservoir design minimizes refills, and a smart indicator alerts when replenishment is needed for uninterrupted, extended cleaning cycles. In real-world tests, the S1000 maintains steady steam across multiple tiles, slowly lifting grime without leaving excessive moisture on delicate surfaces. During longer sessions, the reservoir delivered sufficient capacity for several rooms before refilling, keeping downtime minimal and allowing a continuous cleaning rhythm. Noise levels remain moderate for a steam cleaner, and rapid heat recovery between passes help sustain momentum without excessive weighting. When pitted against the Bissell CrossWave X7, the Shark S1000 excels at tile steam cleaning while the CrossWave wins on wet-dry vacuum versatility. The pros include fast heat-up time, strong steam performance on tile and grout, and lightweight maneuverable design. The cons include a higher price point and a bulkier footprint that makes storage challenging in small spaces.